Hello everyone, just going to make a quick video to show you how to make your own general cleaner using Thieves Household Cleaner. Now, why would you want to use this? Well, this is because this is a non-toxic cleaner. This is a concentrate, so you would dilute it quite a lot. The reason why you would want to switch to this is because most household cleaners, whether they're window surface, degreaser, whiteboard cleaners, liquid soaps, or surface cleaners, contain 2-butoxyethanol, which the Australian Department of Health recommends that you use with caution. According to World Health Organization, it has a life of 1 to 4 weeks in water, but is therefore not considered bioaccumulable. But you would probably know that from when you use things like whiteboard cleaners to clean the whiteboard and wipe down the bench and so on, that you can get a sore throat and skin irritation. But the deeper down issues with 2-butoxyl ethanol is that it's can cause long-term liver and kidney damage, and also has been known to be linked to blood disorders if exposed to quite large amounts. So let's have a look and see how we'll make our spray bottle with the Thieves Household Cleaner. So the first thing you want to do is take your empty spray bottle, and I'm using an empty concentrated bottle here, and we're just going to fill it up. Now, we are lucky to have a filter on our water system out the front, so our water contains no chlorine, so it's safe to use. And we just fill our bottle up. Now, in a bottle this size, I'm going to use with the Thieves concentrate, I'm going to use about 1 capful. And 1 capful, if you measure it out, it's about 10 mils. So there's my 10 mils, and I'll just tip that in there. And that's plenty for a general household cleaner. Usually, actually, 1 capful for a general cleaner, you could make about 500 mils. This bottle is about 350, so it's going to be a little bit on the strong side, but that's okay. It's very, very safe. The kids use it, and it's no problem. Now, so what did that cost? Well, if you look at that bottle and you're paying wholesale price for that household cleaner, that whole bottle there has just cost me 90 cents or thereabouts to make that up. So pretty cheap. Now we're going to make one that I can use in the shower. So this one's going to be a little bit more heavy duty. I'm using a 500 ml bottle. So same thing, we're just going to turn down our water and fill the bottle up. So that's my 500 ml bottle, and that's full now with the water. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 caps to that, because for the heavy duty strength you want 1 capful, about 10 mils, for every cup of water. So that's in a 500 ml bottle. I'm just going to add a couple of drops. 500 ml bottle, we're going to add just the 20 mils there of the cleaner. Now, I'm going to boost that up a little bit with some essential oils. Now, there's a couple of great essential oils you could use. You could use orange, you could use pine, you could use eucalyptus. I'm going to use Young Living's lemon. Lemon, it's very inexpensive. It's under $20 for a 15 ml. And also the Thieves, which is an exceptional blend, which has got your eucalyptus in it. It's got your cinnamon bark and some rosemary, so it's a fantastic blend, that one. So I'm going to put some of those in there. So I'm just going to add maybe about 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the Thieves. And I'm going to add about 20 of the lemon. Just taking the lid off one-handed. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. And that's great for getting soap scum and that sort of stuff off in the shower, which is what I'm specifically using this one for. And there you have it, 500 mils of heavy duty cleaner for the bathroom, and it's cost me maybe $2.50 at the most to put that together. So I consider that money well spent. Really super easy to do. You've just got a couple of essential oils there and your Thieves heavy duty cleaner. Now the essential oils are purely optional. You would really just need to put 2 caps of that in there in 500 ml bottle, and away you go. There's your cleaning product for the bathroom.